In this video, I'm just going to show how to take out a glove box in a W166 Mercedes ML. So the first thing we have to do is remove this plastic piece. Let's open the glove box. So just use a prying tool. That just comes out. So that will expose, that's a T30. That's a T20, so there's 4 of them. There's one here and there's 3 along there. Okay, so apart from the 4 here and 1 here, there is also another one right down under here, and that's a T30 as well. So the other T30 is right down here. Really hard to see. So there it is, right there. Okay, so I've got all those screws out and it looks like it's still stuck, and it looks like I had to remove this bottom plastic piece as well, because it looks like it's actually holding this piece up right there. So I think there's a few screws. There's 3 screws. One there, and probably one over there. Okay, so I've taken out the 3 screws under here and now I've dropped it, and now this is, looks like it'll come out now. So let's see. Okay, so I just went with a plastic pry tool and just went along the top and just drag it across, and now it's just dropped down. I don't know what this hose is. I've got to unplug it, and also the light cable before I can take the glove box out. So I've got to get a screwdriver to pry this thing out, but it looks like it's loose. I'm not sure what that's connected to. And apart from the light bulb cable, there's this one that I just pried out, and there's an electrical connection here that has to be undone. So this plastic tube, I just forced it out and it just came out. I guess this end here hooks up on the other end for, must be venting or something. Okay, so there's the glove box out, and that other plastic tube hooks up to that hole there. Not really sure what that's for, but anyway, that's how you take out a glove box of a W166 Mercedes.